Most people get this wrong. They think Payson is just another quick payday app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Payson is now a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights to help you manage your money effectively. Here's how it works. Payson allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is ideal for unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases without using high-interest credit cards. Additionally, Payson offers installment plans for eligible purchases, letting you split payments into manageable, predictable chunks. Payson also provides a dashboard to track advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending habits. Alerts and reminders help you stay on top of repayments, avoid late fees, and maintain healthy financial habits. The downside: overusing Payson can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app can mask deeper financial challenges. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to avoid missed payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Payson. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Payson in 2026 is a convenient and flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical money advice to keep your finances under control.